Hi everyone, and welcome back to SewingforHobby tutorials on how to make arts and crafts. Today we're making a bracelet. For this project you'll need a black cord string, some pony beads of your choice, and a pair of scissors. So what we want to do is take the string and measure it about maybe your arm's length, enough to make the bracelet, accordingly to your wrist size. Or you can do like arm's length. That's about right. So we go like this. Make it a little extra and then cut it off. About right there. Set that aside. Take your string, center it. Flatten it out like this. You know it's straight if it matches. There we go. Now you want to put enough beads onto each string to make it enough. Since we're doing plain old beads, there's the hole. Slide it through. All I'm doing is putting the bead through that hole. Right there, you can see it. And slide the beads down. You know when you have enough when it fits comfortably on your wrist. Let's do these together so you can know what I'm talking about. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking these videos. And stay tuned for other types of adventures from SewingforHobby. And now we're going to string these, and I'll let you get back to it. I like making this jewelry. It's simple, fun, and it's very good way to unwind. And it's something what you need to get rid of your anxiety. And, you can live a little longer. It's a lot of fun, too. I'm already using what I had on hand. This is what I had left over from a project. Looks like I got 3 more. Turn it around. Take it like this. Measure it out. There you go. If it's like this touching, you know you're done. Go ahead and make your X. Tie it like a shoelace. I like to tie mine about 5 times. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, take your string, take your scissors, tug on it to make sure it's tight. Zip it as close as you can without cutting the other side. Snip it off, set it the trash to the side to hide the ends. Stick that string through the hole. Give it a good tug. Help it along the way. There you have it. And cut it as closely as possible. Here you have it, a nice solid bracelet. Here you go. It's smooth, not too rough, and it's comfortable. You know it's comfortable because it's fit over your wrist. It only takes about 7 minutes to make one bracelet. There you have it. Here is what it looks like. We made a pony bead bracelet. So simple, doesn't cost a lot. All you have to do is just buy the pony beads of your choice. I'm using a 9mm for my beads to fit the string through. This is almost like a 2.0 or 2.2mm string. You can correct me on that if I'm wrong. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, everybody.